Student C question. A pen stand made of wood is in shape of cuboid. एक पेन स्टैंड है जो कि क्यूबाइड शेप का है with 4 conical depression to hold pens. इसके अंदर 4 conical depressions हैं यानी गहरे हुए खड्डे हैं जो conical शेप के हैं. The dimension of cuboid are 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. That is, length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 3.5 centimeter. The radius of each the depression is 0.5 centimeter. वो कोनी का जो डिप्रेशन है उनका रेडियस 0.5 सेंटीमीटर है एंड द डेप्थ इज 1.4 सेंटीमीटर और डेप्थ यानी उनकी हाइट कितनी है 1.4 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड ऑन एंटायर स्टैंड. तो हमें एंटायर स्टैंड का वॉल्यूम निकालना है. नाउ सी दिस इज द कोनिकल डिप्रेशन ऑफ रेडियस 0.5 centimeter and the height that is depth is 1.4 centimeter. Now see, this is the cuboid wood stand with height, length 15 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 3.5 centimeter. So depression is of the conical shape of radius r is equal to 0.5 centimeter and height h is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So the volume of depression is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 into 0.5 that is height into 1.4. 7 से स्टूडेंट 1.4 को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए you will get डिवाइड कीजिए you will get 0.2. Now student this will become after calculation 1.1 upon 3 centimeter cube and volume of all 4 depression will be 4 into 1.1 upon 3 that is 4.4 upon 3 centimeter cube. Now volume of pen stand cuboid without depression, that is without depression, is equal to length 15 into breadth 10 into height 3.5. It will equal to 525 centimeter cube. Now volume of pen stand with depression is equal to 525 minus 4.4 upon 3 and that will give you 523.53 centimeter cube. This question is completed.